Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HAYLOU Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we can open the HAYLOU Phone application on our phone. So let's open it. In the application, you should see the home screen. Now, tap on the Me icon, select your HAYLOU GS from the list of devices connected to your phone, and here you should see the Face Gallery category or option. Tap on it, and you need to make sure that you have internet connection, because if you don't, you won't be able to load them. As you can see, now we have the blank page, but because this phone is losing connection sometimes, I'm gonna try to enter again, and now it's loading and it's loaded. So once you enter the Face Gallery, you should see the list of categories and watch faces. As you can see, we have different categories. You can open the category by tapping on the name, like this, and in the categories we have even more watch faces. Now let's find the watch face we want to use as our watch face, of course. So no, maybe this one. So let's tap on it to select it, then tap on Set as Current Watch Face. And let's wait until it's done synchronizing with the watch. And once it's done synchronizing, the watch face should be applied on your watch. And after that, you can close the app. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.